guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm makeup artist Ginny Wang. As for the title you can see for this video, I'm going to do a fashion purple glitter makeup. I used 3 colors of glitter in this makeup to let this makeup looking more casual. If you want to know how to do this, subscribe and keep watching. I used to curl eyelashes before doing eye makeup. It will be easier to look more beautiful of model's eyes. And always remember, don't raise up the eyelash curlers too higher. Use liquid eyeliner to create an eyeline base, and you will be easier to apply glitter for a good shape. As you can see, I used these 3 colors of glitters. First, mix the glitter with gel together. Put them into your eyelid in a concealer brush, cause the concealer brush will help you more easier to apply glitter gel. And I used micro tape to remove the glitter which was falling over the shape. Do this step until the glitter went all into your eyelid and added a darker purple glitter in your lid. And after the second step of adding dark purple glitter, I do her eyeline again. The fourth step is to apply silver glitter into her inner corner. I put an eyelash on her eyes after I finish all the steps of glitters. And use volume mascara to make her eyes look more bigger. Then I use black eyeliner gel to create a beautiful eyeliner in her crease. Used powder when I finish all the eyes makeup. Apply a contour with a soft brush. I don't want to do a heavy contour because this is a natural look and I only want people to see her beautiful eyes first. Also, I apply some contour into her nose. If your nose already higher and beautiful, be careful to do this step. We're going to do her lips. Use an orange Benefit Renewal Poise for a base. And use a light peach lip pencil all over her lip. Oh, I forgot to tell that I added highlighter on her cheekbones. Finally, I used lip gloss in the end. This makeup is done. This makeup tutorial is over. Thank you for watching. I hope you guys already enjoyed this makeup and understand my description. If you like my makeup style and want to know more about Korean makeup, natural tips, or other fashion makeup, you can follow my Instagram. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time. Bye.